Nestled in the heart of the Albanian Alps, Valbona Valley is a breathtaking destination that showcases the stunning beauty of nature, rich cultural heritage, and remarkable outdoor adventures. This enchanting valley, surrounded by towering peaks, lush forests, and crystal-clear rivers, offers visitors an unforgettable escape into the wild. Valbona Valley is framed by the towering Accursed Mountains, including the iconic Mount Jezerca, which stands as the highest peak in the Albanian Alps at 2,694 meters, 8,839 feet. The dramatic landscapes are perfect for photography, hiking, and simply soaking in the beauty of nature. The valley is adorned with vibrant meadows filled with wildflowers, dense forests of pine and beech trees, and pristine rivers that meander through the landscape, creating a serene and picturesque environment. Valbona is a hiker's paradise, offering a range of trails suitable for all levels. The well-marked paths lead you through stunning scenery, including the famous Valbona to Theth hike, which is an essential experience for adventure seekers. The valley is home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and birdwatchers. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting traditional villages, where you can interact with friendly locals and experience their rich customs and hospitality. Valbona Valley offers a variety of accommodations, from cozy guest houses to unique mountain lodges, ensuring a comfortable stay. Many host families provide meals featuring delicious local cuisine, allowing you to savor traditional Albanian dishes made from fresh, local ingredients. Valbona Valley is not just a destination, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or an escape into nature, this hidden gem in the Albanian Alps has something for everyone. Embrace the beauty, culture, and warmth of Valbona Valley, and create memories that will last a lifetime.